Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 new project ideas using Arduino that you must give a try. So, let's get started. Our very first project is a robot that plays music on wine glasses. The impact hammer is made using a relay and a wooden dowel. This mechanism is controlled via KT972 transistor. The rotation to the hammer is provided by a 4988 stepper motor. One WS2812 LED gives the robot an amazing look while it plays the music. Here is a quick glimpse of the circuit diagram of the robot. Let us look at a pleasing melody played by the robot. Meet this cute Otto Ninja robot. The robot has a high-class mobility that gives it freedom to spin, dance, and transform its shape. It uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect the movement of objects around it. Using a remote control app, you can control the Otto Ninja in real time. Whether racing or making a battle, Otto Ninja is a fun project to build. Here is the humanoid version of the Otto robot with servo-controlled arms and grippers to hold tools. Let's look at an interesting fight between two Autobots. Our next project is a tiny 3D printed robot, Robub, which is controlled by an N64 controller. So, for the movement, the Robub requires servo motors. Here is the 3D design of the Robub. After mounting the servos and configuring the N64 controller, the Robub is ready to give a dazzling performance by turning its head in all directions. This CNC router remote control requires these basic components. So, after the assembly, the output looks like this. Isn't this amazing? The jog buttons move the CNC in X, Y, and Z axis. The rotary switch controls the axis in which the encoder moves. The encoder is used for an incremental jog step in all the three directions. The arming switch on the side is provided for the safety. When you turn it on, the CNC controls get disengaged. Let's have a look at the working of the remote control. Do you want to level up your game of PCB design by working on high-level PCB projects? Or need features like remote working, advanced 3D viewing capability, and AMCAD? If yes, then you must check out Altium Designer. Altium provides functions for users with all levels of experience and requirements. And before subscribing to Altium, you can use its free trial version by clicking on the link given in the description below. Our next project is a face recognition door lock. The HuskyLens is an AI vision sensor with some built-in functions like face recognition, object tracking, object recognition, and many more. Let's have a close look on the components and assembly of the project. After mounting the electronics inside a nice 3D printed case, the project is ready to be installed on the door. Let's see how it works. This is a Bluetooth-controlled dry ice machine. The machine has got some cool features, like the color-changing LEDs. It uses two types of nozzles, one low-level nozzle and the other a volcanic nozzle, with integrated LED lighting effect. Using an app, you can control the dry ice bucket movement and the color of the LEDs. Doesn't it look amazing? The next one is a CNC plotter. To make this, you don't even require any special materials. Just an old DVD player, some stepper motors, and some PVC pipes. After assembling and uploading the GRBL file, let's test it by writing a text. It turns out to be awesome. What do you think? If you are planning to build a Christmas project, then try this one. This is a Persistence of Vision Christmas Ornament. The project uses APA102 LED strips, which has a higher refresh rate than the WS2812s. The 3D design of the ring looks amazing. So now, it's time to print and assemble the electronics. After mounting this on a Christmas tree, look how it gives the tree a spectacular look. This is a cup-type anemometer, which is capable of measuring wind speed up to 70 meters per second. The sensor measures the speed and displays it in an OLED screen. You can switch the unit from meter per second to miles per hour or kilometer per hour. Here is the circuit diagram and electronics of the project. Turn your Fat Cat giant cushion into a controller for Final Fantasy XIV. All it requires is an Arduino Micro, a touch sensor, and a PIR sensor. When someone sits on the Fat Cat cushion, the Arduino presses a macro for the Fat Cat in the game. Isn't it an amazing way to implement an additional control in the game? What do you think? So, we hope you loved the project. If you want your projects in our upcoming videos, share them on our mail or our Instagram account. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.